Let me read the question now. Find the integral of 4 divided with 3 times with 1 minus x to the power of 5 with respect to dx. Okay, so without further ado, let us start to solve this question. Okay, as you can see here, for this question, it is slightly difficult compared to the previous example that we have discussed. So if you haven't watched the previous example, so make sure that you click on the link above and watch that first for better understanding. Okay, so let us start our working now. So for the first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy down this integration equation into our working here. So from here, okay, you copy down the equation. So you have 4 divided with 3 times with 1 minus x to the power of 5 with respect to dx. Okay, so you underline the fraction. Okay, so from here, for the next step, what I'm going to do is, instead of moving this 1 minus x to the power of 5 to the numerator, I'm going to move it to the center of the fraction. Okay, remember guys, this 4 over 3, you can form it as a fraction itself. Okay, so from here, your next step, it will become 4 over 3, okay, and then you times with 1 minus x to the power of negative 5. Okay, this form, you can put it at the center. You can also put it at the numerator as well. But for the convenience of the calculation, for the upcoming working, I decided to put it at the center. Okay, as for the upcoming step, you will understand the reason why I put it at the center, guys. Okay, so respect to dx. So once everything is done, okay, now you can proceed to perform the integration. So let us integrate this. Okay, so from here, when you integrate this, okay, let us do it one by one. Okay, since you're involving a fraction, so you need to be extra careful. Sometimes you can perform a silly mistake, so make sure keep an eye on the integration. So from here, you should be getting 4 over 3 in a bracket 1 minus x close bracket. So this negative 5 you plus with 1, you should be getting negative 4, and the negative 4 you divide as well. Okay, so let me underline the fraction first. Okay, not just that, you need to times with the differentiation of the inside bracket here. So 1 minus x, so when you differentiate this, you get negative 1, and that negative 1 you times with the denominator, which in this case is negative 4. Okay, once everything done, then only you plus with plus c. Okay, so from here the denominator, so the negative, automatically it will become positive. Okay, it is part of the working, guys, so that is why I deleted it and I'm putting the updated one, but it's still in the working. I'm doing this for the convenience of the audience. Okay, but then when you're doing it exam, make sure you do it step by step. Okay, but then of course once you become expert in this integration question, you can of course omit the step, some of the redundant steps. Okay, so from here 4 over 3 you divide it 4, you can times with 1 over 4. So 4 over 3 you times with 1 over 4. So from here you get equals to 4 over 12, okay, in a bracket 1 minus x to the power of negative 4 plus with c. Okay, so this 4 you can simplify, you get 1. So this 12 you can simplify, you get 3. Okay, so from here, this negative 4, in a bracket 1 minus x to the power of negative 4, you can move it to the denominator. So from here your final answer will be 1 over 3 in a bracket 1 minus x to the power of 4 plus with c. So this will be your final answer. Okay, of course, let me underline the fraction line first. Okay, so this is how your final answer should look like. Let me underline the solution for this question. Okay, in case if you doubt whether you get the right answer or not, you can always check back by performing the differentiation. When you perform the differentiation, you should be getting the original integration expression, which in this case is 4 over 3 in a bracket 1 minus x to the power of 5. Okay, if you get that, congratulations, your answer is correct. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.